Hi all, and in this video we will discussing about the inserting at the beginning of the linked list, how it work and all. So that kind of thing we want to know. The inserting at the linked list is an easy part of the linked list processing. So definitely we want to know the first thing, if new node is available at the end, we just want to pointing to the head equal to this new node and make a connection. So this is much simple in other cases. So that is the reason I will explain how it work and all. And what we do normally, we are creating a linked list. You already aware about, right? First, head equal to none, that is there is no item, and head equal to 10, it will be calling this function not. Okay, then creating a temp and head equal to 20, insert at the beginning, that means inserting. So here it is calling like that. I will tell you how it to work and all. So node creation is beginning at the here, and head equal to insert begin of the head of 10. We want to insert. So normally what we do, if we have a linked list. For example, I have a linked list, only two items, and it is pointing to 20. This is more easy, and there is no need, just null. Just null, we can see null. You already know, right? In the case of array, if we want to insert a new item, for example, this is the array. I'm just comparing with the array. So if I have one item, two, three. If I add to one item, that means 0 at the first position, it is very complex because I need to, this one is moving to a next position and 2 is moving to next position and so on. It is a complex function because number of input is increasing. That times of shifting is needed. Then only I get a vacant space here. Then only I can add this zero to here. That means n number of times the shifting operation will do. So that operation we need to know, we can implement linked list with the easy. For example, you can see here, I want to add 1 in the linked list. 1 is the one not. I need to add at the end. What I do, you already know the head is pointing to this one. Simple thing is that I need to make a connection to here, right? Then this head is pointing to 1. Only two steps, with the two step and less time I can do this implementation. So that is the flexibility of the linked list. I think you can better understand it. Just connect the node with the first node, then head moving to the first. So this is only, there is no shifting, nothing is there. So this is very important, and you can see here in the code. First, there is no node. Initial condition, there is nothing in the linked list. What we do, we need to insert. It is very easy, right? We are passing this one, head and key. Okay, linked list and key. Then temp, we are creating a node is called. That means node creation is happening here. Temp node is created, node of key. We are passing. Then temp dot next equal to head. That means head is none. So temp dot next equal to head and return that temp. So that is the idea of the insert. That means we need to assign this value. A node is creation. First node creation, then temp dot next equal to remaining linked list. That means the head is already pointing to this one and return the temp. So that is the whole idea regarding this uh, inserting at the beginning of a linked list. So it is very easy. The time complexity means bigger of 1. There is nothing we can, no iteration, no shifting, nothing. So the bigger of n is the time complexity, and space complexity. We are not required any kind of spaces. So that is the reason it will not require much space. So that means the space complexity and time complexity is bigger of 1. I think hope you all clear about this. If you have any doubt, let's comment below. Okay.